Hi, I'm V and welcome to Aura Charms. Today I'll be showing you how I printed the Celeste owl I created in Nomad Sculpt. To print the Celeste model, I open the File menu and scroll down to Export, where there are a number of file options. STL files are used by most 3D slicer programs. I export my file to Google Drive. On my PC, I open up a free version of Chitubox Slicer. I import the Celeste file using the top left menu. It resides in the Downloads folder where I saved it from Google Drive. The file is extremely small and needs to be resized using the Scale tool on the left. The next step is to hollow out the model using the Hollow tab on top. Next, we add holes at the bottom of the model so that the resin can drain out using the Dig Hole menu. I add holes at the wings, the feet, and the base of the model. I delete the generated plugs as they mess up the print sometimes. In the Supports menu on the right, I choose Light Support. In the Raft menu, I choose Skate and 110%. The raft is the base from which the supports stand on. The supports and raft are automatically generated by depressing the plus platform button. Using the right mouse button, I can rotate the model. The red color on the model indicates where the supports are needed, and I add a few more light supports throughout the model. From the File List menu, I choose Settings. On the top left, I choose my printer with the plus sign. I cycle through the tabs to confirm my settings and to choose my resin. I'm using Elegoo's standard 8K resin. I'm now ready to slice, and I depress the slice button. I'm using the Saturn III Ultra, which allows me to send the file directly to the printer. It will take under 4 hours to print. I let the print finish overnight. It worked! The build plate is really easy to take off on the Saturn Ultra. The supports and the model printed beautifully. Using jewelry flush cutters, I carefully remove the supports. I put the model in an alcohol wash for 5 minutes. Using a hair dryer set to cool and low, I dry my model. When the model is dry, I use fine grit sandpaper to remove some of the imperfections. I place the model to be UV cured for 5 minutes. Here is the finished Celeste owl model. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.